So the
Okay lang, best. Tigpapaano ko na.
was very rich with coral.
That tricycle, I'll buy a fresh bake from. Ah, okay.
Besties! Besties! Baby na yun.
Give me some of the stuff that people want for lunch or later. This guy shouldn't be driving it all.
Yes! Alright, let's eat, let's eat!
Maybe we can.
Yeah.
We have to transfer.
So, fiesta! Wow, sarap! Ako best yung restaurant. Thank you! Ay pa. Ano pa yung...
Basta napano mo na ang araw.
Ha? Ito! How's it, my love? Good? He's eating his veggies. Gang, say it.
Balikan.
Oh, sobrang cute man. Cute man talaga. Well, let's go upstairs.
Yan, iba na yan. I don't think so. Together with the dog.
Honey, can you try to carry this just for once? Why? Just once.
It might be flying.
Yes. It's a dog and it's a cute one.
No, you think it's a cute one. I think it's a very dirty one.
Partida yun na sa pinakamalinig.
Let's go, let's go. My honey.
This is new one.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yes.
Good. It.
Ano yan? Try.
Pangarap niya yan. Ayun sa manad.
Yun ha?
Dai, magtinak siya sa ano, chair. Sa chair lang, boy.
Ah, Puchi, so many.
Oo. Yeah.
Hindi ko na kaya ang body ko. Sabi, makaugmahon.
Don't do something.
Nebot.
Uy, aswangit.
Baka malugtukan niya.
You hold my, yes.
Grabe yung pasalin yung dalawa.
Palalapan.
Don't do something stupid. Bes, ang ano nga, baka maanuhan siya.
Malugtukan ka.
Malugtukan.
Baby, okay, hold me, my love.
But if you can...
Oh, yes. Okay,
Well done.
thanks for the support.
What?
Kumao ba kayo ni? Ay, oh my God, the smell.
Yeah, it's wonderful.
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 And you sit down. Okay,
Yeah.
then we can stand and look at you.
Na, baka ako kutsilyo, asin-asin.
May pillar doon, Buboy.
Tapos it may na.
Now you got two fruits. Yeah.
Thank you guys. Appreciate it.
Oh, it's much better here. There's wind.
Yeah, it's nicer to sit here.
Most of the time there's no wind, so it's
Sit down and eat your.
Freshly picked mango.
Harap. The best.
Tigabon yung ikog niya.
Bobo, Bobo. Come here, come here. Just. Bobo. Paspay din.
Sa Pawpaw.
Obstacles.
Isa.
Ganito sila piga.
There's a baby dog. There's a baby dog. Baby dog, baby dog, baby dog. There's a baby cat. It's okay. Chop chop. Chop chop. May lugad si Chop ay. May lugad si Chop. Yan si Baby Pio. Nagkasit ang Baby Pio ay. Ay, may dog pala dito. Oh. May dog pala. Na cute. Ito. Ito naman. Puto. Ito lang kastigyo. NTR. Wait. Shh. Tan. Si Mami Girl. Ito. Pau. Chikoy.
Time to eat again. That's right. Ay, ito. Let's eat. Thank you for the hands that prepared the food. Wah, ito. Hi, date. Hello. Wapa. Honey, it likes you. Likes the sun. Moret. He's waiting for the old coconut.
I make you
Sounds good.
Ay, si Ramon, oo.
This is just home to heaven for you.
As far as, the Clarity Act and
Sharon, anti baka siguro mga makasupugon ka mo. Wow, baby, I like the banana.
I have a feeling that you're gonna survive if not excel.
The best. What's that?
That's for you.
Are, thank you so much. Iba ka talaga.
Meron pa yan tomorrow.
Okay, I have 5 minutes. 5 minutes, Puji.
You need help.
Good. It smells so good.
10 months of shrinks. You think that would have been better?
Ay, thank you po po na. Okay, thank you po po yan. Let's put this in my body. Ay, nagpalaw. They cut the nail.
But it doesn't help the
My
shirt.
love, look at it. Stare into his eyes.
That's your eye.
Wait. Hawa ko ang beat. Hawa ko ang beat.
Nakita ko siya. Oo. Kasi na yan, bebe. Madali nga na yan, manakaw sa mga yan.
Alam mo yung dali. Tigugumul na.
Oo, baby no. Baby got puto.
Ay.
It's okay.
Guys, look at the eyes, guys. Paguna niya mata o ang trip.
Sabi ng matang boy. Pag nagkaroon na ako siya, saka ka mag-sit.
Oh, Maria. I knew it. I knew you'd break. How can you not? Look at this cute face. Why? The nose is clean, huh?
Yes, I cleaned it a while ago.
Mom?
And then cut his grams.
30 grams, no?
Right ka.
Ay, okay. Enough. Before my, huh?
Yeah, rest guys, rest.